Hello everyone. If you've forgotten your Snapchat password and you don't remember what it was, and you prefer not to change it, I'm going to show you a way to retrieve your current Snapchat password so you won't need to reset it and create a new one. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail app on your phone and go to your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account. After that, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Next, click on Manage your Google account. In this page, navigate to Security. Then, click on the search bar and type in Password Manager and click on it. There you go. Here you will find a list of all the apps for which you've saved your password. So, we want to know our current Snapchat password. Let's do that by clicking on Snapchat. Next, it will prompt you to enter your password to verify your identity. Go ahead and verify it and click on Next. Now, it will display your username and your password. Simply click on the small eye icon and it will reveal your current password. That's it. I hope this video helps you. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment and I will get back to you.